Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak at this platform of Entrepreneur India 2013, an event that focuses on the important issue of the entrepreneurship to innovative and entrepreneurial is the willing to devote yourself fully, unconditionally to making your business ideas reality. More than ever, our country and indeed the world need its young citizen to stand up and showcase their inherent creativity and leadership. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a way of life. It's a powerful force deep down inside, driving you to achieve your dreams despite dubious odds and doubts of others. I am sure many of you here today have a desire and drive and the dream to become entrepreneur. I now live by 10 magic word entrepreneurship. If it is to be, it is up to me. To start my business on any entrepreneurial journey, one should focus on three important building blocks: the people, process, and the partnerships. It is their combined effort that makes entrepreneurial journey a successful. The people, which is the most important part of the journey. People or your resources are themselves very important and play a pivotal role in whole entrepreneurial journey. They generate most value and your greatest asset when running a business. People mean your mentor, friends, critics, and most importantly, your employees. As a new entrepreneur, there is a need to have a wise and efficient mentor who could exactly analyze how and where you need to start and stress. Mentor is an invisible power, ever successful entrepreneur. Most of the successful entrepreneurs don't reveal their mentor, but they do actually have one who constantly monitors their activity. In the journey of entrepreneurship, so of the major decision can be taken based on the opinions on your friends, but ultimate decisions are yours always. It is advisable to have few good friends who might well also not feel lonely when everything appears completely dry. At times, you might have to expand your friend groups and network with new people who are passionate about life and want to do something new. Such people, company will help you motivate yourself at every stage and help you to reach your goal on time, in no time. It is true that friends are always well-wishers, but you need to listen to their critic as well. Note on the points from their criticizers and correct them as soon as possible. Always be positive and read good inspirational motivation books constantly. Don't let your criticizer overpower you, but stay cool and let your journey go in peace. Always keep only one motive in mind, that is go and let go. Most successful entrepreneurs realize the importance of a good team. They actively look for the right people who have similar value of the work and share common interest with the venture. Moreover, they realize that their employees too should have an interest entrepreneurial traits to take the venture forward with the sense of ownership. But more than having a good team, they also realize how important it is to a good team player. Highlighting the strength of each individual and the motivating them towards your goal. Encourage growth opportunities among your staff. This is not only about giving a raise or the promotion. Based on your employees' personality and interest, lead them to a career path they would like to be the better find, more challenging than where they currently are. Make employees feel that they are part of the new business. Profit sharing of the business bonus based on the company's overall annual performance can make employees feel like they are working for their own company and everyone will focus on the company profit. Process is the next very important part of the whole journey. In the game of entrepreneurship, the process is equally important as goal. Entrepreneurship is a process, a journey, not a destination in my view. You can never build a successful business without undergoing the entrepreneurial processes. Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, and others all went through these processes. All entrepreneurs begin with three categories of means, that is, who they are, what they know, and whom they know. Who they are, their traits, taste, and abilities. What they know, their education, training, and expertise and experience. Whom they know, their social and professional networks. Using these means, the entrepreneurs begin the imagine, innovative, and plan their business process and model. Then the last, strategic partnership, which is also very, very important part of the whole journey. Another key principle of the successful entrepreneurship is the focus on building partnership rather than on doing systematic competitive analysis. In the case of startups, two head collectively may succeed better than one. It helps to bring the entrepreneur idea to market at really low level of capital outlay. Furthermore, obtaining pre-commitments from key stakeholders help reduce uncertainty in the early stage of creating enterprise. Partnership is a marriage of two entrepreneurs who share the vision, similar goal in life. Strategic partners are very important for further expansion of business and operations in the relatively new upcoming markets. It gives the much needed support to the entrepreneur by opening new arena of business in new geographies. The world is constantly changing, with new opportunities emerging all the time, and true entrepreneur will make use of every opportunity that come across. Best wishes to all in your efforts to become the most successful innovator and entrepreneur. With this, I would like to thank you to all the participants who have come here and took out your time and the Entrepreneur India. Thank you very much.